Hello, my name is Jason Triana. I am 24 years old. I study National University Open of Distance. This is experience of trip. My trip started in the town of Salento, where I made a traditional garlic truck. Then they made me portrait in the characters in the Central Park. Um, Street and Bustle, the beautiful nature in the world point. At the end of the day we returned to Salento, Santa Rosa del Cabal, where I could enjoy the thermal water in the biological diversity. It's very nice. Um, um, right all in the mechanical attraction. It's very nice. Next, a recommendation. Number one, visit all the traditional shop of Salento. Relax in the hot spring, enjoy the music of place, reading aloud in the attraction of the park. Um, Eat the typical dishes, relax and relax. Advice related to what people should or should not do in that place. Number one, do not forget to bring a coat and umbrella. Um, do not exact the time spent in the thermal. Hmm? Wear comfort clothes. Throw, sorry, throw the garbage in the corresponding place. Ride early, then enjoy all the activities. Bye. Thank you.